The second kit that I've put together for you is our Younger Looking Skin Duo. And these are the fabulous products, full-sized, that you're going to get in that kit, full of certified organic ingredients. The first one is our Daily Revitalise Cleansing Crème with Lemon Myrtle, Papaya and Coconut. Smells absolutely divine. And so why have I included a cleansing cream in here? Well, unless you're going to get rid of the dead cells that accumulate on your skin on a daily basis, your products just aren't going to get in. So whenever I have someone that calls me up and says, I've got a terribly dry skin and nothing seems to work, the first thing I say to them is, what are you cleansing with? It's so important. So this fabulous cleanser has the natural exfoliation of the papaya in there. So if you use this morning and night with a wet face cloth to take off your makeup and just cleanse your skin, whether you're wearing makeup or not, it's really going to prepare your skin for adding the fabulous ingredients that are in this product. So this is our Cell Renewal Peptide Serum, and this has green tea, ginseng and fig. Fabulous ingredients to fight the first signs of premature aging. It helps with dullness and just making the skin glow. But we also have fortified this ingredient in a product with Matrixyl Synth 6 and Perfection Peptide 7. Two really hard-working peptides that are there for wrinkle erasing and skin plumping. Then we've gone a step further and we've added niacinamide in here, which is vitamin B3, which is fantastic for increasing cell turnover and just brightening up the skin. And then we have hyaluronic acid, so for skin plumping. A fabulous, fabulous little vitamin mixture in here, and peptides, and a great start to your anti-aging program. So give them a try and let me know what you think. Of course, they also have they are also based on our Superfruit Renewal system, which is that aloe vera suspension of kangaroo apple, desert lime, and Davidson plum. So again, let me know what you think.